Yes, viewers and subscribers, this is Jam One Media.
They told us
Leader TV.
to be ready by 5:30 this morning. By 5:45 they kick us out of the room at Bay Principe Hotel. And from 5:45 they kick us out of the room. We've got nothing to eat, nothing to drink, nothing to eat, nothing to drink. From 5:45 this morning we came on the bus, nothing to eat, nothing to drink, and we're still out here. We're still out here. From 5:45 they kick us out of the room, out of the hotel, and we're still here. Now the crew members are all out of the bus because they're hungry. A lady almost collapsed in the bus because she have diabetes. One test her pressure is high. No water, nothing to eat or drink from this morning 5:45 until now. And they won't let us to go anywhere to find something to eat or drink or stop and get it for us. This is utter madness. And I'm disgruntled and irritated. This cannot happen. This is not how you treat your citizens. From 5:45 until now. And nobody can give answers. No organization, nothing. After we've been tested positive and we're going home. This is injustice. This is injustice. This has to stop. This is not how you treat your citizens. If we're even Jamaicans anymore, because I certainly don't feel like it. This is the new drama unfolding on Bottom Road. What time is it now? Let me see. 5 minutes to 6. From we leave, from they kick us out of the room 5 o'clock this morning with nothing to eat, nothing to drink. Now it's 5 minutes after 6. So this is the issue right now that is happening on Bottom Road, Montego Bay, where now they're taking people out of the buses. See? They're taking people out of the buses because they have no clue what they're doing. Now they're rearranging by community and all these things because they have 5 buses with crew members from St. James and 1 health inspector checking your accommodation to make sure it's suitable for your continuation of quarantine. And this is now the situation, like we're on show in Montego Bay for everyone to see, because you know that Jamaicans were not too educated. So as soon as they see us, they're like, oh, there's the corona people. I mean, what is this? This is ridiculous and outrageous. They have to do better. 5 minutes to 6, 12 hours, nothing to eat, 13 hours, nothing to eat now. This is crazy, and it's not even about that. It's a lack of organization, and nobody wants to communicate. When you ask questions, this is the attitude you get from the cops and the soldiers. Because nobody cares, and that is it. Welcome to Jamaica. Land we love, right? Land we love, forget.
Yeah, please like and share and subscribe. Boy, may I tell you, them people, the quarantine people that come off of the ship, the Royal Caribbean ship, the cruise line worker, them, may I tell them, man, they're back in the spotlight again for another time. At first, they returned back at sea, then they received them in Jamaica, probably 2 weeks ago. And now they're back in the spotlight because they're saying they're unfairly treated. No. You know what I mean? They get kicked out of the Bay Principe early in the morning without breakfast, without anything to eat. Now they're on the side of the road waiting for transportation to take them where they're supposed to go. And you know what I mean? They're getting harassed by the police officers also. Boy, them people are salty, man. Eh? They never ask this. You know what I mean? They never ask them a type of treatment, you know. But why are they getting it, you know? Viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts on it, you know. Like, share and subscribe. You know, drop a comment down below.
This is the new drama unfolding on Bottom Road. What time is it now? Let me see. 5 minutes to 6. From we leave, from they kick us out of the room 5 o'clock this morning with nothing to eat, nothing to drink. Now it's 5 minutes after 6. So this is the issue right now that is happening in Bottom Road, Montego Bay, where now they're taking people out of the buses. See? They're taking people out of the buses because they have no clue what they're doing. Now they're rearranging by community and all these things because they have 5 buses with crew members from St. James and 1 health inspector checking your accommodation to make sure it's suitable for your continuation of quarantine. And this is now the situation, like we're on show in Montego Bay for everyone to see, because you know that Jamaicans, we're not too educated. So as soon as they see us, they're like, oh, there's the corona people. And what is this? This is ridiculous and outrageous. They have to do better. 5 minutes to 6, 12 hours, nothing to eat, 13 hours, nothing to eat now. This is crazy, and it's not even about that. It's a lack of organization, and nobody wants to communicate. When you ask questions, this is the attitude you get from the cops and the soldiers, because nobody cares, and that is it. Welcome to Jamaica. Land we love, right? Land we love, forget.
Thanks for watching, man.